Okay, this is a short little video on how to actually do this third logo project presentation here. Okay, part one is you're creating a logo, right? So part two is you're creating a written description. Okay, like I talked about, part one is you got your logo and two options. We're working in Illustrator, and that's click on this window here and go to Illustrator. Okay, so you need option one, as this video talks about, watching a little bit of video. You're not going to watch the entire video. You're going to watch a little bit, make those changes, go back and forth. Option one is take your sketch and create a logo from that. Or option two is actually redesign your logo using usable images. Okay. And this is actually step two. So creating your written description. Okay. So I'm going to click on step two. And this talks about where you're going to, and the assignment is you're going to actually go to your create a written description in your Google document here. It'd just be like it's this. It'll have your name, like Abraham Aguilera hyphen logo design part one. Okay, so it's going to look just like this, a blank document. What I wanted you to do is this folder has examples of what I'm looking for. Okay, what like for this you're actually creating example of your logo up here, and then you have two paragraphs explaining what your company does, when it was created, who's the founder. Of course, you may be hypothetically, right? So, and you, like since you create a hypothetical business, explain what your business and what you create a logo, what does it represent, kind of thing. Okay, and that link will kind of show you like a bunch of other examples here, and so we're all just actually putting an example there. So I'm going to show you how to create the example real quick. So you're going to start by just going to your Illustrator file of whatever logo. Like I use the Adidas logo. But what you're going to do to actually insert that into your Google document is you're going to click on export, export as right here, export as, and you click on, this will say AutoCAD at first, but you want to change it to JPEG. Okay. And, name it whatever you want to name. I just click on export and say yes, it's fine. So you can change it to RGB and click OK. But now we need to go back to that Chrome document, and I'm going to go back to my blank written description here. What I can do is I can click on Insert, Image, and upload from my computer. I can grab that logo that I just put in my downloads folder. So I can click Open, and it's going to open there. It's going to put it in a weird spot, and I can't move it around because I don't want it to be affecting the text like that. So if I put it to behind text, then it will let me move that logo wherever I want to. And then you can just click on that and hit enter a few times. Now I've got some space to put my two paragraphs underneath my text there. Okay. And then you can go to your assignment there and just turn it in, submit that Google document. And then we'll actually take care of the second part. Okay. That'll finish it. Thanks for watching.